Here in this video, I am going to show you that how you can display color variants as a separate products on your collection page of the Shopify store. This video is specific for motion theme. If you have any other theme, then I have already published a lot of videos. You can watch the playlist. Right now on my screen, you can see that only 3 products are displaying. Each product has their color variants, but all are not displaying here. Let me show you step by step that how you can implement it yourself. So the first thing is that you should download the code. I have already added the link below in the description. Once you are downloading the code, you will be getting these 4 files. Just open document.txt. Inside of it, I have already given all those steps. So you should go to dashboard of the Shopify. Here you can see that we have installed motion theme. You should click on these 3 dots, click on edit code. We have some folders and files. Let's follow the documentation. The first step is create new snippet color dash variant. So this color dash variant snippet we need to create here. Click on snippets, click on add a new snippet, paste the name here, click on done. Again we need to go back, create another new snippet which is color dash product dash grid. Click on add a new snippet, paste the name here, click on done. And now we need to paste the attached code. Open color dash variant.txt, copy the complete code and then paste it inside of this file. Save the changes and close the file. Again you should go back and open color dash product dash grid.txt, copy this complete code from here and paste it inside of this empty file. Click save, close the file. Now the next step is go to sections, open collection dash grid.liquid. So we need to search here collection dash grid.liquid and inside of it we need to find product dash grid dash item. Just copy from here using Ctrl F or maybe Command F. You will be searching and it will be highlighted. Inside of it we need to replace it with color dash variant. So you should replace this product dash grid dash item with color dash variant. Once you are done, then you should save the changes and then close the file. So that's it. Now you can refresh this page and see the changes. So here you can see that all the products has their color variants. So all are displaying here on this screen. So this is looking more beautiful than before because now customers has more options to see all our color variants. If you stuck somewhere or you have any problem, then definitely you can ask me. I will help you out in that. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please like this video. Also subscribe this channel. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.